Hello there guys, and welcome to this month's PC build. This is December's build for 2014. Our budget was £650, so let's get started. The processor is an Intel Core i3-4150. Its data width is 64-bit and it's an EVGA 1150 socket. It's 3.5 GHz, has 2 cores, and its power consumption is 54 watts. This CPU includes a CPU cooler and also has hyper-threading. Its integrated graphics are the Intel HD Graphics 4400. For the CPU cooler we have a Zalman Performa. Its noise level is 20 to 32 decibels and its fan RPM is 1400 to 2800 RPM. The motherboard is the MSI Z87M Gaming. The form factor is micro ATX and its socket is EVGA 1150. Its chipset is Intel Z87 and it has 4 240 pin DIMM slots. The maximum motherboard memory is 32GB and the onboard video depends on the CPU. It also supports Crossfire and SLI, has 6 SATA 6GB/s cables and 2 eSATA cables. This motherboard also has onboard USB 3.0 headers. Like last month, we're also using the 8GB Kingston RAM stick. Its speed is DDR3 1600 MHz and has a CAS of 11. And its voltage is 1.5 volts. This month, as we have an extra £150 on the budget, we're adding a crucial 128GB SSD. On this we will put the operating system on and make the boot much faster. Its form factor is 2.5 inch and has an interface of SATA 6GB/s. We're also upgrading the Seagate Barracuda from a 1TB hard drive to a 2TB hard drive. Again, the hard drive is 3.5 inches and speed is 7200 RPM. Its interface is a SATA 60/s and its form factor is 3.5 inches. The graphics card is the MSI GeForce GTX 750 Ti. It has a memory of 2GB and the memory type is GDDR5. The interface socket is a PCI Express X16 or PCI Express 3.0. Its core clock is 1.8 GHz, which is slightly faster than last week's palette. The MSI has a nicer look than the palette, but it does cost slightly more. Its power consumption is 60 watts and includes a VGA, HDMI and DVD dual link ports. The case we're using is the Zalman Z5 Plus. This is an ATX mid-tower case. It's black, has 3 external 5.25 inch bays, 2 internal 2.5 inch bays and 3 internal 3.5 inch bays. The motherboard compatibility is ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX. The case has front panel USB 3.0 ports and its maximum supported video card length is 290mm. Its dimensions are 489mm by 204mm by 459mm. Power supply we're using is the EVGA 430W power supply. It's non-modular and has an efficiency certification of 80+. The disk drive is a Samsung 5.25 inch SATA 3GB/s DVD/CD drive. Again, the operating system is Windows 8.1, just like the last build, and is the 64-bit edition. The dongle is the TRENDnet USB 3.0 Wi-Fi dongle. It has a coverage of up to 100 meters indoor and 300 meters outdoor. Its high-speed rates are up to 867 megabits/s and a steady rate of 300 megabits/s. The keyboard and mouse are the Aria PC gaming keyboard and gaming mouse. The keyboard is black, wired, and is backlit with blue LED lights, and the mouse is right-handed and also black and blue. This mouse is also a laser mouse. I hope you enjoyed this month's budget gaming PC build. The budget was £650, we kept to that budget, and I hope you enjoyed. Once again, the part list can be found in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, peace out.